If you are looking to create songs with the help of AI, then Sonu.ai is one good option. I have done various videos over the last few months on Suno, and I have found it of very good quality, plus the interface is quite easy, and moreover the pricing of Suno is, I would say, quite affordable. Having said that, Suno is really building a future where anyone can make great music, whether you're a shower singer or a charting artist. They have broken down barriers between you and the song you dream of making. No instruments are needed, just imagination, from your mind to the music. The good thing about it is that they're not some software engineers who have just come up with this idea. They are a team of musicians and AI experts based in US, and they have banded together coming from backgrounds like Meta, TikTok, and Show, and also a lot of other good companies. They like to ship code, make music, and drink coffee as per their motto. Their company culture is all about music and experimenting with sound, from lunchroom conversations to the studio in their office. Okay, now having said that, in this video, I'm going to show you one new feature from Suno, where if you're looking to make Valentine song with the help of Suno, then you can do it easily. Let me show you how. So go to this website and I'll drop the link in video's description, which is v-day.suno.ai. Then click on get started. From there, just type anything. Uh, Maybe I'll just type YouTube, because that is where this video you will be. And then click on next. Where did you and YouTube meet? Well, on internet. Then next. It's my passion and outlet to share. Click next. My email, so let me put in my name here, and then I will put my email here. I have agreed to the terms and condition, and then click on make a song. So let's wait for it to come back, and you can see that it is passing through a lot of stages, that it is composing the lyrics, and then there you go. So it has created the version 1. Let me play it. I hope that it won't uh, violate YouTube's terms and condition, but let's see the lyrics first. So it is late at night, a glowing screen, I stumbled upon something I'd never seen. A channel so unique, a voice so pure. I hit subscribe and my heart felt sure. Can you imagine that? How cool is that? And there is also a chorus. On internet we found our connection through likes and comments, love's reflection. You're my passion, my outlet to share. To share, okay, so that's the chorus, and together we'll create our love affair. Oh my goodness, okay. Okay, let me play. You can also share it.
Late at night, heart, a glowing screen. I stumbled upon something I'd never seen. A channel so unique, a voice so pure. I hit subscribe and my heart felt sure. On internet we found our connection through likes and comments, love's reflection. You're my passion, my outlet to share. Together we'll create a love affair.
Wow, that was simply wow, amazing. I mean, it was really good. Love it. Okay, I'll just stop it now. That was amazing. I mean, simply wow factor. So you can go ahead and then Create your song, dedicate it to your Valentine, and then you can share it by clicking on share button, send it through their email or whatever. And then you can also make more songs if you want by simply clicking on the button below share. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm still reeling from the wow factor. This was all created by AI. Amazing stuff. I'll drop the link again in video's description. So create your innovation. If you want, you can share it in the comments. And then if you like the channel, please consider subscribing to it. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.